Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to do a full outer join in the MySQL database. Let's start by looking at the entity relationship diagram. I have 15 tables in my database right now, but in this tutorial, we'll mostly be running queries on the property and the property underscore taxes table. The property underscore ID column in the property taxes table is a foreign key and references the ID column in the property table. Say we wanted to select the property number, size in acres, and property state from the property table and the property taxes yearly amount from the property taxes table. To do that, you can either use a left join, right join, or an inner join. However, if you wanted to perform a full outer join, you will have to do a union between the left join and the right join. This is because MySQL doesn't offer an out-of-the-box capability to run a full outer join. I'm also using an order by clause to sort the output by the taxes column in a descending order. To execute this SQL file, I'll be using a MySQL alias where I'm passing the authentication details using a config file. Let's input this SQL file to the MySQL alias. As you can see, we got 510 rows in our results set. Note the union keyword gets rid of all the duplicates in the result set. To keep the duplicates, use union all instead. Now we got 738 rows returned, which also includes all the duplicates. You can also use the limit keyword to restrict the output to say 10 rows only. Another thing to keep in mind is to use an alias for the column that you're using in the order by clause. Watch what happens when I get rid of the taxes alias. I get an error. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.